How to activate the First Citizens credit card online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, as of now, online activation is not available for the First Citizens Bank credit card. So if you want to do it, here are the steps you need to follow. Step 1 is you have to call the activation number. For this, locate the phone number provided for activation. It is often printed on the card or included in the materials provided. So dial the number, and if you cannot find it, you can find it on the website as well. Once that is done, during the call you will be asked to provide the information. The information includes 16-digit card number, expiration date of the card, and CVV or the security code. This is also located on the back of your card. You have to authenticate your identity if they ask any additional questions to verify your identity. Once all information is verified, the customer service representative will activate your card. However, if it does not work, the next option is you have to search for the nearest branch. Once that is done, you can visit them personally and activate the card. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.